Astrology. The word alone might make you think of sun sign memes, daily horoscopes, or maybe even the mysterious zodiac wheel. But there's so much more to it than just guessing someone's personality based on their sign. So, what is astrology really? At its heart, astrology is an ancient practice, a bridge between the universe above and our lives below. It's not fortune telling or some magical power, it's a language, a cosmic map that reveals patterns, energies, and cycles affecting us all. The stars and planets don't control us, but they reflect us. Like mirrors in the sky, astrology has roots stretching back thousands of years. The Babylonians were some of the first to study celestial movements. Later, the Greeks, Egyptians, and Indians expanded its wisdom, blending their own philosophies. For them, the universe wasn't random. It was a harmonious system, one we're all connected to. But what does it mean for you? Well, your sun sign is only the tip of the iceberg. Beneath it lies your moon sign, your rising sign, your planets, each adding a layer to the unique story of you. It's a map of your strengths, your challenges, and yes, even your potential. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Is astrology even real? Or can the stars really tell me about my life? And the truth is, astrology doesn't demand your belief. Instead, it invites your curiosity. Because whether you approach it spiritually or simply as a tool for reflection, astrology helps us ask the right questions, not about the future, but about ourselves. If you're just starting, don't worry. No one learns astrology overnight. It's a journey, one I'd love to take with you. Start with your chart, get to know your sun, moon, and rising. From there, the stars will guide you. Together, let's unlock the language of the universe, one sign, one planet, one question at a time. If this resonates with you, I'd love for you to join me. Let's explore the cosmos and discover what they're saying about you. Let's take an example. Imagine you're a Leo. You may know that. Leo is often associated with traits like confidence and creativity, but if you look deeper, Leo is ruled by the sun, the center of the solar system, which explains why Leos often shine as natural leaders and thrive in the spotlight. However, without balance, that same desire for attention can sometimes come off as pride. That's the duality we learn to understand in astrology. It's never just surface level. For me, understanding astrology changed the way I navigated relationships. I used to have a friend whose emotions seemed like a roller coaster, and I couldn't quite figure it out. Then I learned they were a Cancer with a Scorpio moon, so much water energy. Suddenly, their need for emotional security and deep connection made sense to me. It helped me approach our friendship with more patience and empathy, and honestly, it brought us closer. As we go through this series, take a moment to look up your own natal chart online. It's free and takes just a few minutes. Once you see all those placements, it's like stepping into a hidden dimension of yourself. Start with your sun, moon, and rising signs and see if you can connect what we're talking about to your own life. If you like this and want to learn more about astrology, the zodiac, and how these ancient insights can still guide our modern lives, I'd love for you to subscribe to the channel. Let's dive deeper into the stars together. There's so much more to discover.